Do you want to know how to edit this Mobile Legends cake topper standee using your Android phone? Easy. All you need is PixArt application. Now let's do it. First, click Sticker and search for Mobile Legends. Click this. Then, add sticker again and search for blue circle background. Add this and this. Now, add the celebrant photo. After that, add the celebrant favorite Mobile Legends hero. And then, add blue ribbon banner. Now click text and type Happy Birthday and the name of the celebrant. Save it and discard it. Add it again and put some white border. Save it and pick white background. Add it and click shadow. We put cutting line on it. Adjust blur to 1% and capacity to 100%. Now adjust the horizontal and vertical position to 100%. We're done.